Hello, Namaste, and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I am going to do a general love reading for the sign Aquarius. Aquarius people, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. Aquarius people, in this reading, first of all, I am going to check your current energy and your partner's current energy. Then we'll proceed with your readings, okay? Okay. So we have Seven of Pentacles. Aquarius, this is your current energy, Seven of Pentacles. And Page of Wands. This is your partner's current energy. Okay. Aquarius people, are you guys taking a break from your life or just looking back into your life and seeing what you have earned, or just seeing what how much money you have earned in your life? Plus most of you must be thinking about your good deeds, how much good deeds you have earned in your life so far. Okay, so are you guys into some kind of introspection energy? Are you guys doing that? Are you guys doing it? Because this person is not doing anything. This person is standing still and just looking to his pentacles. Okay, this person is just looking these coins. That means this person is just thinking about these pentacles, these coins. Perhaps you must be thinking about your life right now. You must be analyzing about your life, that how I used to be in past and how I am right now. Okay, or you must be thinking about your good and bad deeds, that I have done this, I have done wrong with this person, or I have done good with this person. So some kind of a self interrogation or self introspection is going on in your life, Aquarius. Okay, sometimes you feel happy, you feel overjoyed. Okay, so you feel like, oh my god, I'm on top of the world. But on the on I mean and all of a sudden you feel completely alone, you feel completely sad, that hey, I wish to do that, I wanted to do that, but I couldn't. So you guys are into mixed emotions right now. Okay, sometimes you must be feeling happy, sometimes you must be feeling sad, sometimes you must be feeling like a warrior, that you have achieved something in life. Okay, at some point of time you must be regretting about your past mistakes, or the offers or the opportunities which you have not uh, you know identified in past. Okay, now we have Page of Wands. This is your partner's current energy. Your person is about to start something new, okay, into their life. Right now they are just sharpening their skills. Right now they are taking their own time. Okay, they must be doing their homework right now to start something new. It could be a new relationship, it could be a relationship with you. Perhaps they want to take a next step into this relationship. It could be related to their career or finances, or their goals. Okay, so what something is there which they want to start into their life. Okay, and I feel that they are doing their homework right now. Okay, they are just sharpening their tools, they are just sharpening their skills, they are just developing or updating their skills right now. Okay, so they are working on themselves. I feel so. Okay, the moment they feel that now I should take action, they will definitely take action. But as of now they are just they are just checking their own self. Okay, what I can do right now or what I can't do. Okay, so this is your partner's current energy, Aquarius. Now let's see how you see them and how they see you. Oh, the Fool, the Hierophant. So you see them as somebody who is very naive and very kiddish or very childish in a good manner, okay, where immature in a good manner, okay. You feel that this person doesn't think about much. They are free soul, okay. They are completely free soul, okay. They feel, they believe in God, uh, they believe in themselves, okay. They are being very peaceful. They just want to take a risk. They are basically a risk taker, okay. They are the one who loves to take chance, okay, who loves to take risk into their life, okay. So they are being very naive right now. So you see them as somebody who has a lot of faith in God, in people around them, okay. If something goes wrong for them, they feel that okay, if something goes wrong, there is XYZ person who can look after me, okay. On the other hand, your person sees you as somebody who is very mature, okay. They see you as, you must be talking to so many elders right now, you must be taking guidance from them, you must be dealing with so many peoples, okay. You must be talking to some people about your, regarding your career, regarding your job, okay. So they feel that this person is indulged with so many discussions and meetings with some industry leaders or some seniors or some managers or something like that, okay. You are basically taking some guidance, you are basically taking some lessons, or you're just learning new lessons in your life. That's how your person sees you, Aquarius, okay. Now let's see how you feel then, how you feel about your person. So we have Page of Pentacles. Okay, so we have Page of Pentacles. So Aquarius, I feel that you think about or you feel about them, they are the one who has a courage to start something new, okay, who is eager to start something new into his life, into their life, okay. They are, as I told you, that you feel that they are the risk taker, okay. So that's how you feel about them, that they are the one who loves to take risk in life, okay. They are the one who has a lot of abundance into their life, okay. They have huge opportunities into their life, okay. This land belongs to them, okay. On the land which this is the land, this belongs to them. So you feel that this person has so many opportunities into their life, okay. They should not waste their time or money or efforts into any stupid thing, okay, or into any stupid project, okay. Rather they should invest their time, money, energy on something which can benefit them, okay. On the other hand, your person feels about you that you are somebody who is very mature. As I told you with this Hierophant card, they see you as somebody who is very independent person, okay, who has a lot of abundance into your life. You have your loved ones with you, you have enough you are blessed with enough money in your home, okay. You have a good home, you have all the best to best material things into your life, plus you are very independent person. You are not the one who rely on other person for your own happiness, okay. At some point of time you feel depressed, okay, but that's part of life, that's part of life. You can't be happy always, okay. So that's part of life. But yes, they feel that you are the one who is a complete person, who has everything in life, okay, be it family, friend, loved ones, and abundance and material things and money and finances, okay. So they see you as this Nine of Pentacle cards. Now let's see various, how do you feel in this relationship, or what you feel about this relationship. Oh. Aquarius, we have Eight of Cups card. I feel that Aquarius, you must have been into so many bad relationships in past, okay. That's why you are not keen to take any interest into this relationship. You feel that this relationship is also going to hurt you at the end of the day, and you are not seeing what is coming into your life. Okay, rather than seeing or facing this new relationship, you are just moving out. Okay, you don't even want to see what is there in these cups. Okay, you are not willing to see. Okay, you are not, I mean, you just want to play safe. You are trying to play safe, Aquarius. You feel that what if I come close to these cups and there's nothing in these cups, so I'll be, demotivated. It's better to stay away from these fake offers, or it's better to stay away from these bad emotions. Perhaps these are the cups which are representing your bad emotions, bad relationship experiences. Now you are through with these relationships, and with these bad love offers. Okay, now you want to see what is going to be there for you in life. Okay, perhaps you are just staying away from the love thing right now. Okay, you don't want to get into that love or fling or relationship kind of energy anymore. Page of Swords. On the other hand, your person is completely opposite to you. Okay, this person wants to take some action into this relationship. Okay, they are very energetic, they are very energetic right now. Okay, they just want to start something new into this relationship, and they can do anything to make this relationship happen. Okay, they have sword into their hand. So I feel that they are going to be your provider, your protector. They are definitely going to protect you, Aquarius. They feel that okay, whatever happened in past. Now we have to look into future, what is there for us in future. Okay, you should not rely on your past experiences anymore. You should not think about your past bad relationship anymore. I am here and I am ready to invest in this relationship. Okay, and I'm going to be the protector of you and your heart in this relationship. Okay. Okay, now let's see what is going to be the future potential. What's going to be the future potential? Four of Swords. Aquarius, I feel it's you. I feel it's you. You are in a deep sleep now. You just want to sleep and relax. You just want to take your own time, okay, to heal your heart and mind. You just want to have your own time, okay. You don't want to think about love and emotion anymore. You don't want to talk about any person right now. You just want to be alone right now, okay. You just want to be single for right now. Okay, you must have been through so many bad relationship. Okay, now you are like really scared about for these relationship and all that. So you feel that it's better to stay single, it's better to stay away. Okay, and don't get into all these love and emotions thing. Okay, so you are choosing to ignore this relationship. You are choosing to, you know, you are completely ignoring this relationship. That's what I'm feeling. And eventually in future as well, you will be in the same energy that I don't want anyone, I don't want anything. Okay. Okay, so Aquarius, I feel that some of you could be dealing with another air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, with this Four of Swords and Page of Swords. Some of you could be dealing with fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, with this Page of Wands. Okay, some of you could be dealing with earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, with this Seven of Pentacles, Page of Pentacles, and Nine of Pentacles. Some of you could be dealing with Taurus as well, with this Hierophant. Okay, did I say fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius? If not, then some of you could be dealing with Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, with this Page of Wands. Okay. And yeah, some of you could be dealing with water sign as well, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, with this Eight of Cups. Right? Okay, so Aquarius, that was your reading. If any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. God bless you. Bye bye.